China, China, and China. That's all we hear in the crypto markets this week. So this week, all the way from China, are the guys that run what is being called the Ethereum of China, and that's called NEO. With me is their founder, Hongfei. Dai, you guys are in China. How are the regulations affecting what you guys are doing?
The trading in the market is just, the volume dropped very dramatically, and the rumors are that all the exchanges will be closed in China. So everybody is waiting for the regulation.
How does that stop what you guys are doing at NEO? Well, tell us a little bit about what you guys are actually doing at NEO.
NEO actually is a blockchain or an open network for smart economy. So it is not built. It is not built for ICOs. A few weeks ago, the Chinese regulators just said ICO is not allowed in China, and it definitely affects us.
So you say that your blockchain is not actually made for ICOs, it's made for smart economies. What's the difference?
As of today, you can see a lot of ICOs, they are they're not connected to the real economy. So there are many decentralized applications on Ethereum, but rarely I met someone who is actually using those decentralized applications. All the usage is trading different tokens. That is not what we want to do. We want to have real economy running on the NEO blockchain.
So you want to create economic applications that run on smart contracts on the NEO blockchain, is that right?
Yes, absolutely, yes.
And not to be used as this token or this platform for issuing tokens for ICOs?
Yeah, so not solely be used by issuing tokens, because there can be a lot of real economical activities. There are three fundamental pillars of NEO, the blockchain. So that is, these are digital assets, smart contracts, and digital identities. Only if you have digital identity, you can link the real economy, the real world, the physical world with the blockchain world.
And is your blockchain already working? Is your blockchain up and running already?
Actually, the mainnet had been launched for about a year. And a month ago, we upgraded to 2.0 after the rebranding. After we rebranded from N-Shares to NEO, we launched the 2.0 mainnet.
And are there any applications actually working on your blockchain already?
Yeah, there are some test applications, but not that all full-blown applications. We just launched the smart contract a month ago, so there are many development ongoing, but they have not been officially launched yet.
How many contributors in your blockchain?
NEO is a very community-driven project, so we have, I would say, about 100 to 300 developers over the world, but only a few of them are the core developers.
And there's two tokens when you look at NEO. There's the NEO token, and then there's this gas token. What's the difference between the two?
It's a very innovative design. We have this so-called dual token design. Because in Ethereum and in other blockchains, the token serves as two functions. One is like the equity or the voting power or the ownership of the blockchain, and also as a transaction fee. So it's coupled. The two usages are coupled. It's very weird. Like when you want to buy a cup of coffee in Starbucks, you need to spend the equity, the shares of Starbucks. So it's a little bit unnatural. So we decoupled those two usages. NEO token is what we call governance token. You use NEO to vote to govern the blockchain. And the gas token is what we call the utility token. You use it to pay for transaction fees, to deploy smart contracts, to execute smart contracts.
So gas is the mineable token and NEO is in fixed supply then?
It's a little bit like you are virtually mining gas with your NEO token. So every gas that is consumed on the blockchain will be redistributed proportionally to all the NEO holders.
Do you think this ban of ICOs in China is temporary or permanent?
I won't say it's temporary, because the regulators had said very clear that raising money to the general public is not allowed in China, or otherwise at least you need to get approved first. But raising money to accredited private investors is still legal in China. So if you want to build a decentralized application, you want to get money from the Chinese investors, you can talk to them privately. And if there is less than 200 investors, that will be regarded as a private fundraising.
So they've gone from public fundraising to attracting just a few high net worth individuals or institutions.